Okay, a couple highlights from our chat room today. A couple trades, I guess I would say, worth talking about. A lot of small stuff again, but whenever kind of to share one of our thinking, our methodology, if you will, behind one trade type that we look for. OVTI is a good example. These are 5-minute candles, and you see all of a sudden out of the blue, no volume, all of a sudden out of the blue, big volume. It's ripping. Now, do we just jump in and hope it keeps going higher? I can't trade that way, so I have to just let the chart resolve itself. You see it pulling back here. It almost makes a complete round trip and then climbs up again. And so now I always view this as, okay, here's the news. I don't even have to know what the news is. Here's the initial reaction. Here's the secondary reaction. And then here it's kind of finding equilibrium. Look at it as long and shorts having a battle here, okay? Longs jump in, shorts jump in, then it bounces, and it's about in the middle of this range of this big pop. And now you're kind of at equilibrium. And now I want to jump on the winning team. So it gave this nice tight base. I told everybody in chat 29.61 would be a base break. It might make a run at the high of the day. Worst case stop can go below this base, 29.43. So about 18 cents risk. And about 5-10 minutes later, it breaks 29.61. Little pullback, and then it's off to the races. Visits the high of the day, pulls back, and then rips through the high of the day. So from 29.61, this did make it to 30.29. And you could say, well, I could have made more buying this pullback down here, but again, I like to let the battle kind of come to an equilibrium and then jump on the winning team. It's a much better risk reward in my opinion. And one other one I want to talk about, IVN, was just grinding. These are 5-minute candles again, just grinding higher all day, grinding, and I was waiting for just a clean low risk entry. Here's the daily. It was breaking out above it. 25 was kind of resistant, so it was breaking out today on nice volume, but wasn't breaking out to blue skies. So I thought at some point today we might get a turn. I used 15-minute candles to give me a nice clear setup here. You can see that kind of that topping tail right here. Announced to the chat room I was going to short if it breaks this 15-minute candles low, 25.88. Worst case stop high of day, 26.05. So that's 17 cents risk. And from 25.88, it did fall down to 25, I think 47. So a good 40-cent move. And I caught a lot of that move, so it was a nice trade too. Not going to babble too long because I made a wrap-up video for our members on the member page, 19 minutes long, and the entire thing, my computer ate it or something. It just disappeared, so I've got to go remake that. But we'll follow up tomorrow night. Remember, the market's closed on Monday, so 3-day weekend, but we'll follow up tomorrow night on what we did in Friday's chat room, if we have any nice highlights to show or any kind of chart lessons to show. And may send out a pick tonight, but I already sent one out this week, I think. Got a chart that looks possibly ready to explode. And if it doesn't trigger tomorrow, I'll probably send it out next week for a free pick. So, all right, I'm going to quit babbling, and we'll send out a highlight video tomorrow night. Have a great night.